I'm gonna throw this rock, make him jump.
Are you really?
Yep.
Oh, poor Rattler.
Oh, he's smelling it. See his tongue? Don't get too close to him.
What a beautiful snake.
They can't hear, can they?
No. Get off the road, little Rattler.
Oh, he'll be okay. Okay, let's go.
Well, you hit him in the head.
I know I did.
Don't hit him.
That's as close as I want to get.
Poor little Rattler.
Let's
See,
go.
he's getting mad now.
Let's go.
Now he's going to curl
We go
up.
now. We go now. Yeah.
See, he was on his way to cross the road. Now, how am I going to get him across?
Not. We're going to go.
He's so pretty.
He's pretty. See how many rattles he's got on him. Enough. Okay, let's go. No, he's got enough. Okay, we're good. Candy. Let's go.
Well, you're the one that made him mad.
I know, we gotta go though. Get my butt bit, or your butt bit. That ain't good. We're too far back in there. That's pretty cool, ain't it?
Yeah. He is pretty.
No, he ain't pretty.
Oh. He was just on his way across. Now he's very angry.
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna leave it alone.